part of Reggae Archive Vault. We present this musical appreciation to our valued member, James Mauli. Thank you for standing with us. One lantern may flicker when the night breeze blows, but another caring hand helps its brightness grow. You joined as a member and the whole team knew a special song of thanks must be written for you. James Mauli, this root salute is yours. Your support helps open forgotten musical doors. You joined the family, so we proudly say thank you for helping keep the music on its way. Each buried rhythm returning to light needs faithful hearts who understand why your support makes room for another old song to breathe through the speakers and keep moving strong. James Mauli, this root salute is yours. Your support helps open forgotten musical doors. You join the family, so we proudly say thank you for helping keep the music on its way. True loyalty never need noise or display. It lives in the choice to support and stay. Your action speaks clearly, sincere and profound, helping Reggae Archive Vault preserve the sound. Let the anthem speak when words fall short. Let the bass line carry our grateful thought. James Mauli, your kindness is known inside this loyal family. You never stand alone. Hey. Support remains part of every musical scene. James Mauli, this root salute is yours. Your support helps open forgotten musical doors. You join the family, so we proudly say thank you for helping keep the music on its way. James Mauli, your support is seen, your membership is valued. Reggae Archive Vault thanks you sincerely. Welcome to the family. One nail in a board, one name written in ink. All I need one whole wall to stand. Truth only need daylight. Before market open, rain darken the board. Me name spread broad by the courthouse door. No witness face me, no evidence show. Yet whisper run faster than river can flow. Holes in roof tremble when the town bell ring. A borrowed accusation where the government string. Them believe one rusty nail could finish me tale. While morning stood watching me name pan nail. Them put me name pan nail. Try pin me soul to shame, but iron can't hold true. fire can't burn them. When witness bring the daylight, every false tongue fail. Jah know which hand it try. Me name Pandale. A familiar and carry ledger after dark. Silver in him pocket, envy in him heart. Him stamp false numbers where the harvest should be. Then pine through the window and fasten blame pon me. Me share bread with him underneath mango shade. Never knew a friendship could have turned into trade. But betrayal leave a footprint clip on the trail. From the back room table to me name Pandale. Them among me name Pandale. Make scandal wear me face, but iron can't change truth, nor darkness conquer grace. When every page get open and every figure scale, the hand where I the falsehood must answer for the nail. One carbon copy sleep beneath a flower sack. Date pon the corner lead the whole case back. A widow from the counting room remember every sign. She got the paper quietly and wait upon the time. The ink reveal the payment, the seal expose the fraud. Truth walk through the courtroom without shield or sword. No thunder need to threaten, no strong we need to will. One honest page start loosing every nail, where every word before judgment descend. Search every road from beginning to end. Power may bend paper, but memory remain. Rain wash the board, yet truth preserve the name. No vengeance in a me hand, no poison in a me cup. Justice moves slowly, but justice wake up, 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 up. Court door open and the whole town gather. False ground split like dry board under hammer. The clerk scrape me name from the weather-beaten frame, but me carry no hatred for the ones who spread shame. Me walk through the market with me children beside, not because pride win, but truth survive. Now every young heart hear the lesson in a detail. Never judge a human by a name Pandale. Them took me name from nail. Truth lifted from disgrace. No iron rule forever. No lie can own a face. Let every hidden witness rise strong and tell the tale. A righteous name stand taller than the wall, the body nail. Rain fall, holding crown, empty board. Beneath the sun, them remove the nail from where it did stand, but truth still live throughout the land. Four man know the pathway, four hand build the door. When strangers walk straight to it, one heart count no more. We turn dry hillside into garden road. Him know where cassava and red peas grow. Carry spring water when the barrel run low. Share every burden when the hard breeze blow. No sign mark the track through Guango and Fern. Yet government boots never miss one turn. Them reach our storehouse before morning blue. Only four know the road, now the whole force new. Friends sell we for your pocket, soon dry. Trade years of trust for one comfortable life. Them carry every basket, but we spirits stay sound. Him sell them the pathway, can't sell we grown. Next week him forward in a polished city shoes. I study gravel while him carry false news. You watch pan him wrist, fresh cloth pan him back, but him shadow still tremble near the storehouse track. The children stop waving when him cross through the lane. Old people read sorrow without calling a name. Money make a nice, then it vanish from view, but silence around a traitor keep sounding true. Friends sell we for a pocket, soon dry. Trade years of trust for one comfortable lie. Them empty every basket, but we spirits stay sound. Him sell them the pathway, can't sell we ground. Woman share the seedlings hidden under cane. Young hands dig fresh rose after evening rain. Carpenter mend the door with lignum vitae wood. Every family bring whatever little them could. No flame touch him yard, no stone leave a hand. We refuse make revenge rule the heart of the land. What greed tear apart patient labor renew. Before one moon finish, green leaf push through. Enemy outside only bruise up the gate. Friend from inside know which inch carry weight still. Guard not your spirit till it harden like stone. Watch who helps build when reward time gone. When the envelope empty and the officials withdraw, him return to the hillside and pause at what him saw. New baskets stand ready, fresh yam fill the road. Every root him thought buried fine a season fi grow. Nobody curse him loudly or spit at him feet. Him one lonely conscience make the reckoning complete. We move as one body while him walk alone. A man can sell the pathway, never sell what was grown. Friends sell we but we never stay sold. No handful of silver could weaken we soul. Them carry one harvest, we recover the ground. Him sell them the pathway, but we roots spread around. Coin loose shine, season return. Oh, trust take years, but roots still firm. One doorway, wearing only one shoe. Before it reached the next lane, somebody give it to. One word leave the fish stall 8:15. Reach the tailor shop carrying 2 extra weight. By noon at the bus park, it grew horn and tail. By sunset every veranda start repeating the tale. Nobody see the matter, yet everybody sure. Each mouth had a color till the picture obscure. What begin as a question soon sound like decree. Whisper borrow plenty tongue and travel duty free. Whisper carry from lane to lane. One loose word put 10 house in pain. If you never see it, if you never know, no give room 2 foot figure. Shopkeeper stop the credit where mama depend. Schoolmate turn cold toward the innocent children. Workman lose a morning when the foreman here. Even lifelong neighbors start drawing chair near, no bruise pon the body, no window get break. Still a family feel every turn gossip take. A careless breath can darken somebody day. Then the mouth that release it simply walk away. Whisper, travel through market and lane, borrow new clothing from each passing name. If you never witness what somebody claim, no feed another household to rumor and shame. Before afternoon, gather every version underneath one room. 10 people bring stories, but none bring a source. Every trail circle backward without finding its course. Some hear from a cousin, some hear from a friend, some only remember how another tale end. When every borrowed detail get lifted away, nothing but an empty little sentence remain. Breath weigh nothing, still it sink heavy load. One careless syllable can block a whole road before you lend it rhythm or give it more speed. Ask who plant this sentence and who profit from the seed. Next market morning, careful ears refuse. No fresh mouth willing to carry false news. The rumor lose direction, then stumble and tire. A tale without a tongue is a flame without fire. Shopkeeper open credit, children play again. Foreman call the workman before the morning raid. District learn a lesson no poster could show. Silence stop the scandal when facts never grow. Whisper carried from lane to lane. One loose word nearly break 10 names. No careful ears guard every road. No give false rumor another load. No tongue, no trail, no ear, no road. Whisper falls silent when nobody carry the load. Load after load, every hand keep count of what leave the road. Ooh, before sun warm the cane field, cutlass flash low. Truck climb the weighbridge with another full load. Sister Mava by the gate with an exercise book. Mark every plate number and every weight she took. 12 truck leave the field, company paper show 8-4 disappear somewhere between scale and estate. Them label it an error but the pattern multiply. Hungry belly know it and ink no lie. Ink no lie when the figures align. Every stolen dollar leave a mark in a line. Them can lock where the ledger and hide it from my, but the workers keep a count. Ink no lie. Overtime vanish from the Friday pay. Rain day deduction, take another piece away. Skill lean backward whenever poor people load, while manage a new motor car shine on the road. Grandfather pay book carry the very same stain. Short with false total and unexplained change. What them call coincidence stretch generation wide. Page after page show ink no lie when the columns agree. Every missing payment leave a trace. We see them can alter one total and manufacture reply, but 100 careful records making testify. Ink testify. Oh, workers spread them notebooks On the old school desk match truck with ticket and pay book we check. Cut a driver loader, bring them dates into line. Every separate record from one steady sign. No room a guide the meeting, no anger lead the sum. Them count each missing hour and every harvest drum. When the final total rise, no excuse could survive. The numbers stand together like a village alive. Pen can hide a robbery, pen can bring it there. It depends who's and control it and whose memory prepare. So write what poor and slave are, record what scales declare. Our people keeping knowledge, build protection everywhere. Them carry every notebook to the union table, convoys firm figures, every witness able. State representative could not sweep it aside. Too many matching records stand up side by side. Back payment the school roof and repair the water line. Buy tools for the cutters and medicine in time. No favor from the powerful, no gift from an high. Organizers prove ink no lie. Ink no lie when the people combine. Every honest tally bring the hidden some to light. Them may own the office and the stamp them apply, but workers own the memory and ink no lie. Away. Trina Panzing Gate, padlock in a hand, but one small paper change the whole command. First Monday every month before the office crowd, Miss Adina pay the rent without quarrel or sound. Clerk count every dollar, press the stamp down square. She fold each little receipt with particular care. Keep them in a teething underneath Sunday cloth. Safe from kitchen water, candle, flame and moth. No landlord bring a bailiff claiming payment disappear. She lift it in calmly, every receipt there, stamp and date clear. Every month I count it from January through the year. You bring lack and notice, but your claim can't stand. Receipt there, in a mama own hand. La la, landlord want the whole yard empty before June. A warehouse man promise him a bigger fortune soon. So he mark 6 families as owing overdue. Though every Friday payment pass directly into view. Some throw them paper out when the rainy season start. Some just a spoken promise and a friendly looking at. But Miss Adina see a verse from the first day of the year. 12 little pieces whisper, receipt there, number and date clear. No missing month, hiding no unpaid balance near. You bring chain and padlock, fi remove her from the land. Receipt there, in a mama own hand. Neighbor leave them cooking and gather by the gate. Carpenter stop him mama, school children wait. She arrange every payment on a wooden bench. March, April, May, every paper makes sense. Bailiff check the numbers, then study landlord face. No lawful reason remain fi remove her from the place. The key return to pocket, the chain loose. Command one careful woman, keep protection in her hand. Never scorn the small proof, poor people preserve. Power change its memory whenever profit serve. Keep account of every payment, every promise, every share. A paper may look fragile, yet protection living there. The hard farmer committed before another week. No tenant tenant face the landlord frightened and weak. Every payment happen with a witness standing near. Every family guard them paper through the changing year. Miss Sardina plant mint where the padlock nearly hung. Evening breeze carry laughter from the old and young. The warehouse plan collapse when the whole ya take a stand. Receipt there and the people understand. Receipt there, stamp and date clear. Every honest payment fully counted through the year. No lock, threat or notice can erase what paper show. Receipt there, so the rightful tenant stay. Key travel home, chain leave the gate. Yard keep breathing, every payment straight. Whoa, na 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 na. Oh, na na na. One voice may tremble and still ring clear. Courage is not absence. Courage walk through fear. Flame take the meeting on late Saturday night. Swallow every bench before the morning light. Officials blame a cold pot left under the shade, but all the liars know a different fire spread. From him watchman shelter near the tamarind tree, him see two covered faces moving quietly. Blue truck by the door where fuel can buy them side. Him carry what him witness, but fear make him hide. Witness rise, though you too need weak. Bring what you see, let no false words speak. One honest voice can turn the darker side. When silence guard injustice, witness rise. I want him reach him doorstep before another day. 3 young banana plants get chopped and thrown away. Strange footsteps circle when the district settle down. Unfamiliar motor linger near the edge of town. Him think about him daughter and the grandchild in him care. Oh, one public statement might bring danger near. Yet each time him pass where the meeting all stood, him conscience beat harder than the fear ever could. Witness rise, though you won't by shake. Speak only what you witness for tomorrow's sake. One guarded secret, give oppression room to hide. When silence feed injustice, witness rise. Sunday afternoon, bring the district to the square. Elias leave him shelter and slowly enter there. Him name the truck color and 3 numbers from the plate. Describe the broken tail light and the hour it leave the gate. Petrol shop attendant recognize the same 2 men. Rich keeper remember when them cross after 10. One careful testimony open every eye. Then another voice follow and another stand beside. Courage not always shout, sometimes it ain't alone. One shaking and uplifted with something it must show. One voice wake another till fear release control. A witness standing upright can awaken many souls. Where the riot men confess who put the money in them hand. A councillor want the building and the surrounding land. The district stop the transfer and rebuild the all again. Stronger roof above it and wider room within. Elias take no medal, see no praise or fame. In return to watch the hillside, just the very same. But every youth remember when difficult days arrive. Community find courage when one witness rise. Even when the road feels steep, guard every honest detail, every promise that you keep. One voice become 100 standing side by side. Where fear once ruled the district, witnesses rise. One drum begin, then another reply. One voice stand, and a whole people rise. Oh la la.
Shall touch board, dust rise from hand. When memory enter the room, true text stand. School book show the governor, the fortress and crown. But skip every hand that build the harbor town. No page for the hillside where the free village grow. No name for the woman carrying messages below. Miss Doring study every space them leave blank. Every field without a worker, every road without a track. She opened classroom window toward the old people land. Make living memory enter, and true text stand. True text stand when the chalk touch board. Names them very start, breathe once more. No page can silence what the elders understand. When memory find a voice, true text stand. Grandma bring a basket woven long before. Fisherman draw currents, never printed on a chart. Farmer show the children how the hillside spring was found. Drum-mama, the rhythm that once traveled underground. Each student take a notebook and sit beside a chair. Gather family journeys before them disappear. History leave the cupboard and walk across the land. From mountain to young minds, true text stand. True text stand when the young heart learn how the village plan. Oh, the freedom fire burn. No official paragraph can rule what people understand. When the elders pass it forward, true text stand. Inspector reach the schoolroom with him jacket button tight.
Fine ancestral timeline,
Stretching left and right. He questioned every lesson not listed in him plan.
while 20 open notebooks,
Resting
20 steady hands.
no anger fill the classroom, no insult cross the floor. Only names, dates and journeys never taught before. The children read together, clear and unafraid. A missing generation return to every page. A book without the people is a roof without a beam. A date without them labor is a half-completed scene. If only rule
rulers get a chapter while poor hands disappear. Memory must correct it for the record to be clear. Now one classroom corner, whole a village archive wall. Wedding cards and field maps, work songs from them all. Young ones visit elders with recorder, pen and care,
saving every testimony
them are
willing to share.
Nobody tear the textbook or reject what it contains. Them widen every lesson till the whole view remain. Education grows stronger when it honor every hand. A future know its footing when true text stand. True text stand from the board to the land. Young voice and elder memory joining hand in hand. No missing page can bury what our people understand. When history become complete, true text stand. Child does settle, new words remain. School bell finish, but memories stay.
Fine coat cover shoulder, gold ring decorate hand. Neither one can measure how a person served the land. Big man reach the district with a motorcade line. Promise bridge and water while the camera them shine. Blueprint on the table, fresh ribbon at the gate. But the building money vanish and the project sit wait. When hurricane season send the river through the track, the promised concrete crossing is a board laid flat. Title sound important but hungry mouth still plead. No judge the polished speech, judge the deed. Judge the deed, know the garment or name, know the chair where them hold or the title them claim. Watch who share the water when the dry season lead. Measure every person by the weight of them deed. False shepherd lift scripture where congregation meet, while an aging widow stand without food to eat. Gold cloth pon the altar, lock pantry by the wall. Plenty blessings spoken but no kindness move at all. Faith is more than language shape for impress a crowd. It live inside the action when no trumpet playing loud. A humble cup of kindness carry more than public creed. No judge the flowing road, judge the deed. Judge the deed, know the garment of fame, know the holy sounding phrases are the honorable name. Watch who feed the hungry without advertising greed. Measure every spirit by the service them reveal. Oh yeah. Brother Caleb wear a shirt with engine grease and stain. Never sit on platform, never campaign for your name. When the district water pump stop working in the heat, him carry out him toolbox and remain on tired feet. Fix it without payment, then teach two youths the trade. Leave before the gathering, know the difference he made. No medal pan him chest, get 100 garden feet. Plain clothes, hide a giant when you judge him by the deed. Before you weigh another, put your one hand on the scale. Count the promises you honor, and the duties where you fail. Judgment without reflection, turn arrogance and greed. Examine your own footsteps before judging another's deed. Now the village preach choose them counsel by the work already done, not by loudest motorcade or who entertain the rum. Them study who protect the weak and answer when them call, who repair a broken pathway without painting them name on wall. Children learn that character is daily work and care. How you treat the smallest when no powerful eyes are there. Reputation may be planted but conduct grow the seed. Let action write the record, always judge the deed. Judge the deed, let appearance step aside. No possession, rank or uniform can make a heart a bride. What you will protect and serve when people truly need. And you may claim the glory but the life reveal the deed. Oh yeah. Craft become one, titles disappear. What you did for others is what remain clear. Balance pan lean, brass weight shine, but every crooked measure must answer in time. Mr. Baines run a stall near the market gate, selling flour and rice from morning till late. Every brass weight polish, every counter look clean, yet the portions grow smaller whenever scales lean. 2 pound flour barely fill a 1 pound tin. Cooking pot run empty before supper begin. We don't count her money, then study what she gain. Something in the balance bringing hunger again. Wicked get way when the balance turn round. Every ounce where them thief come back in the count. Same scale used for rob reveal the hidden detail. Wicked get way upon them one crooked scale. Market women gather, every parcel them buy. Compare each bag carefully underneath open sky. Rice from Baines light, flour from Baines shot. Even salt lose weight before it leave him spot. Old Miss Naomi bring a standard from her shop. Place it on the balance and watch the pointer stop. 1 brass weight mark, 2 carry wax underneath. A polished little instrument designed for practice grief. Wicked get way when the measure get test. Fine clothes and smooth manners can't cover dishonesty. Every missing portion now become part of the tale. Wicked get way upon them on crooked scale. Na 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 na. Market keeper call the traders into public view. Set the honest standard beside the altar too. Being scale tip quickly before goods touch the pan. No clever explanation could defend the merchant man. Them empty out in weight and reveal the wax inside. All the hidden cheating stand exposed in daylight. No crowd raise a weapon, no one disturb the peace. Them demand every customer receiver fear release. Use 1 measure for the widow, 1 measure for your friend. Crooked profit travel quickly, but consequence extend. Every portion taken from a struggling family plate. Return upon the conscience when the thief must face the way. Baines repay the shoppers from the money in conceal. Replace each altered measure with a balance straight and real. Market bill a testing post beside the entrance way. Any buyer or trader can inspect a scale each day. Months later, Baines still selling, but him man a rearrange every bag way fairly. Every customer get change. Accountability correct him where punishment might fail. Now we understand the meaning of a level scale. Wicked get way till the crookedness end. Every measure must be equal for stranger and friend. When the balance serve the people and fair dealing prevail, no wickedness can hide behind a polished scale. Oh, 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 unpolished scale, unsettled level, pointer stand straight.
fair share for everyone. That is honest wheat.
When torchlight draw near, but morning reveal metal, and courage reveal fear. Proud man build a platform above the village square. Carve a chair from timber that belong to everyone there. Place a painted crown upon him, calculating head. Claim the spring, the grazing field, and every loaf of bread. Three rented trumpets announce him through the town. Guards collect a payment anytime him travel round. People bend them shoulders not from honor or respect. Them bow because the consequence of standing feel like threat. False crown drop when the people stand tall. No throne can balance on the neck of us all. Gold painted metal never make a ruler true. False crown drop when the fear drop too. Him tax the market basket and the water from the well. Charge fisherman a portion of each morning catch them sell. Build another staircase while the school roof open wide. Keep a feast each Friday with armed men at him side. Every public question become reason for a fine. Every family duty turn a privilege of mine. But hunger start revealing what ceremony hide. A crown without compassion is a costume made of pride. False crown shake when the people question why. No trumpet can command every hand beneath the sky. Paint begin to crumble and the borrowed jewels lose. False crown weaken when obedience refuse. Proudly made. Green brass show beneath it, broken glass replaced the stone. The object everybody feared look ordinary on its own. One market woman straightened and refused to bow her head. A farmer stand beside her, then a carpenter instead. Soon the square fill up right, from the pathway to the shop. Fear leave first, then the false crown drop. Leadership is service, not a chair above the crowd. Power without duty is an empty garment proud. No person earn allegiance through a weapon or decree. Authority grow rightful when it guard community. Them dismantle every barrier surrounding public ground. Return the spring to families and distribute what them found. Wood from off the throne become a long assembly seat. Brass from off the crown become a bell where neighbors meet. No single head inherit every pasture, road and stream. The village choose a council and review each public scheme. When the meeting bells start ringing from the old crown top, children learn how peaceful lands make false dominion stop. False crown drop and the people stand tall. Their responsibility replace command for all. No painted piece of metal rule what free hearts do. False crown gone because the fear gone too. No throne above service, no crown above law. When people rise together, false kingdom is no more. once blocked the people will build them life instead. Morning after false throne leave the village square. People gather iron from the barriers everywhere. Chain from round the spring and bolt from Tolo's door. Rusting fence that lock poor farmers from the common floor. Brother Asa light the forge beneath a breadfruit tree. Pump the leather bellows till the flame rise steadily. No iron get discarded, every piece receive a call. Freedom need construction, so the hammer have to fall. Hammer have to fall. Hear the forge yard call. Nothing break a body, fit dismantle every wall. Shape the bar to a whole blade, make a hinge fit the all. When freedom need building, hammer have to fall. First strike, flatten metal taken from the old road chain. Second shape a gutter fi collect the hillside rain. Third, create a bracket fi repair the classroom seat. Fourth, produce a cooking stand where neighborhood can eat. Sparks fly like fireflies, rhythm travel through the lane. Each blow remove a purpose once connected to them pain. Iron carry memory, but memory can transform. What once enforced division, no protect them from the storm. Hammer fi fall with a discipline done, turn restriction into something useful for the land. Make a tool for every worker and a brace for every wall. When the future needs shaping, hammer have to fall. Yeah. Learn to read the color of the heat. When fi strike the center, when fi turn and when retreat. Power without knowledge only damage what it needs. Skill and patient timing make rough metal complete. Women shape new handles, elders measure every frame. Children carry water where the glowing iron tame. Nobody own the forge yard or control its daily call. Every willing and belong whenever hammers fall. But discipline gives shape. A fist may break a barrier and still build no escape. Resistance clear the pathway. Patient labor raise the wall. Liberation need a vision after all dominions fall. New pump, lift the water to the highest garden row. Fresh tools turn the hillside where the yam and pumpkin grow. Strong hinges hold the windows of the reconstructed school. Every piece created serve a practical rule. Now the hammer sound no longer one of chain again. It announce another table and another roof made straight. From morning into evening to the valley echoes call. A people build them freedom every time the hammers fall. Hammer have to fall. Let creation lead the call. Nothing injure any person. Fi remove what hinder all. Shape the past into a tool and build tomorrow strong and tall. When freedom become labor, hammer have to fall. Beat it, turn it, cool it, yeah. Turn it, cool it, bend. Steel gate open, sunlight touch track. Footstep outside, but memory pull it back. Free
freedom paper fold, but fear follow through the gate. Every shop front glance feel heavy upon him skin. Every friendly doorway feel too narrow if you walk in. At night him count footsteps that no longer pass him room. Wake before the morning in an imaginary gloom. No shackle round him ankle, no uniform on him back. Still an unseen burden keep the spirit under lock. Chain start crack, don't know iron drop. Every honest footstep make another whole link stop. When remorse meet mercy and the last one turn back, hope enter the spirit and the chain start crack. Sister root of a labor near the harbor landing place, sanding down the fishing boats beneath the morning haze. First week him work silent, never asking for advance. Second week him start meeting every neighbor eye and glance. Him and an elder's fishing net and carry home the catch. Fix a leaking shelter with a carefully fitted patch. Each useful day completed, put some strength inside him, and slowly him begin to feel him worthy of the land. Chain start crack with each duty complete. Every earned out dollar put him firmly on him feet. When patience meet effort and he always draw back, one link lose its power and the chain start crack. Years before the sentence, him rob a corner store, leave a broken window and a family struggling more. Know him serve 3 paydays and return without disguise. Place the money on the counter and meet the owner's eyes. No excuse about him hunger, no performance made for grace. Him acknowledge every damage and the fear him leave in place. Forgiveness never instant, but the shopkeeper accept that repair begin with payment and the promise daily kept. Freedom is not only when I get release a man, it live in change behavior and the work of willing hands. Face the armed committee, pay whatever can repay, then choose a different pattern every ordinary day. Months turn into seasons, Micah still work by the bay, saving for a workshop from the little weekly pay. Evening him help young men who feel quick money call, show them every hidden cost behind a glittering fall. Him never call himself clean or pretend the past erase. Him carry it as knowledge, not a permanent disgrace. Community stop seeing only where in life went wrong. Them recognize the patient work of someone growing strong. Chains start crack till the spirit stand free, not because the past disappear from memory. When remorse meet mercy and right action answer back, grace rebuild a person and the final chain crack. One day honest, chain start crack.
Needle move quick, wheel turn fast, but heart on the apron beat harder than task. March, I reach the garment floor quarter before 8. 40 sewing stations running hot and straight. Window bolt shut and the ceiling fan slow. Still the supervisor demand production grow. Needle bite fabric while the cotton dust rise. He draw a river from the workers' tired eyes. To rhythm fill a ear into the long working week. Machine on the table and a rebel heartbeat. Rebel heartbeat underneath factory cloth. No stop to a threat and it nah switch off. One pulse turn two, then the whole floor speak. Power start tremble when rebel heartbeat. Rebel heartbeat. Sister Ivan stagger near the cutting machine line. Reach toward the water, then collapse before 9. Supervisor step over with the quota in him hand. Treat a falling worker like a problem in him plan. Marshal lift the power switch and bring a station. Still 39 more motor stop against the foreman's will. Sudden room silence make the message sound complete. Every woman standing near the same heartbeat. Rebel heartbeat. Every needle come to rest. No order more important than a living worker's breath. One hand stop a motor, then the whole floor agree. Dignity begin when fear release. When fear release. Wanna reach the doorway with dismissal on him face. But every worker stay together in them place. Them request open windows, drinking water on a break. Unchained emergency doors for every person's sake. No cloth get damaged and no fish rise in the air. Them simply hold production till conditions become fair. Marsha tap a timble with a steady metal beat. Soon 40 hands answer from every wooden seat. Rebellion no always carry stone in hand. Sometimes it is workers simply choosing where to stand. Sometimes it is one machine switched off beside another, till a solitary heartbeat become a vice together. By the following Monday, every window open wide. Fresh fans turn above them and clean water stand beside. The exit chain removed and the daily target cut. Safety representatives chosen from among them hot. Marsha take a station with a medal parade. Ivan sit beside her in the morning cooling shade. Machines resume them rhythm but no longer rule complete. Now management must listen when rebel hearts beat. Rebel hearts beat through the factory floor. One became 40 when them could endure no more. No threat and silence, people standing peacefully. Power and respect when rebel hearts beat. Rebel hearts beat. Machine, slow down. Footsteps stay strong. One heart beginning. Now the whole floor carry on. Needle move quick, wheel turn fast, but heart under apron beat harder than task. Marsha reach the garment floor quarter before 8. 40 sewing stations running hot and straight. Window bolt shut and the ceiling fan slow. Still the supervisor demand production grow. Needle bite fabric while the cotton dust rise. He draw a river from the workers' tired eyes. To rhythm fill a ear into the long working week. Machine on the table and a rebel heartbeat. Rebel heartbeat underneath factory clock. No stop to a threat and it nah switch off. One pulse turn two, then the whole floor speak. Power start tremble when rebel heartbeat. Sister Ivan stagger digger near the cutting machine line. Reach toward the water, then collapse before 9. Supervisor step over with the quota in him hand. Treat a falling worker like a problem in him plan. Marshal left the power switch and bring a station still. 39 more motors stuck against the foreman's will. Sudden room silence make the message sound complete. Every woman standing near the same heartbeat. Rebel heartbeat, every needle come to rest. No other more important than a living worker's breath. One hand stop a motor, then the whole floor agree. Dignity begin when fear release. Whoa, yeah, yeah, yeah. Wanna reach the doorway with dismissal on him face, but every worker stay together in them place. Them request open windows, drinking water on a break, and chain the emergency doors for every person safe. No clock get damaged and no fist rise in the air. Them simply hold production till conditions become fair. Marsh a topper timber with a steady metal beat. Zone 40 hands answer from every wooden seat. Rebellion not always carry stone in a hand. Sometimes it is workers simply choosing where to stand. Sometimes it is one machine switched up beside another, till a solitary heartbeat become a vice together. By the following Monday, every window open wide. Fresh fans turn above them and clean water stand beside. Exit chain removed and the daily target cut. Safety representatives chosen from among them. But Marsha take a station without medal. Operative van sit beside her in the morning. Cooling shade machines resume them reading, but no longer rule complete. No management must listen when rebel hearts beat. Rebel hearts beat through the factory floor. One became 40 when them could endure no more. No threat and silence, people standing peacefully. Power learn respect when rebel heart beat. Machine slow down. Footstep stay strong. One heart beginning. Now the whole floor carry on.
Shutters never lift again. Dust gathered thick around the doorway and the drain. Nurse get transferred, medicine shelf bare. Nearest public doctor is a costly journey far. Miss Pearlin ration tablets through the difficult night. Young mother walks 7 miles with her child burning hot. A stone onto the path, till the district make a promise that the poor man not fi march. Poor man march, hear the empty battle shake. Every mile a message for the suffering Them discipline speak louder than an angry false alarm. Healthcare is not favor, not a prize for wealth or class. Sickness asks no income when it choose a home to pass. A nation show its honor by the weakest it restore. No district should be dying outside a clinic door. Health board meet the marshals before the afternoon. Promise me no value without action coming soon. So the district choose observers to record each working day. Roof repair on Monday, fresh supplies arrive by May. One new nurse takes duty, traveling doctor come each week. Mothers find assistance and the elders start to heal. The people keep them marching, drum displayed above the porch. A reminder of public service, return to poor man march. Poor man march, and the locked door open wide. Mother, farmer, worker moving dignity beside. No riches in them pocket, but a righteous common cause. When neglect deny a people, poor man march. One foot, next foot, brass fade to dawn. Clinic light burning, but the watch must carry on.
Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Tape start rolling, red lamp glow, paper on the table, beers waiting below. Bah! Midnight in a Kingston, after final rhythm play, company representative put an agreement on the tray. 10 years of recordings, every master, every name, publishing and pressing underneath the company claim. Another clause require less mention of the poor. No song about eviction at the workers' factory floor. Them promise wide promotion if him soft in every sound. But something in him spirit tell the lion, hold ground. Lion, hold ground when the contract come around. Read every line while the bass roll down. Business must deal fairly and respect the root sound. If the bargain costs your spirit, lion, hold ground. Advance could fix the rooftop and put food inside the place. Buy new shoes for the children, ease the worry upon them face. Photographing foreign paper, motor car beside the gate. Every glittering temptation, tell him sign before too late. Still him study how one payment could control a decade long. How a company could own him vice and alter every song. Need may bend the shoulder, but him value stay profound. Lion feel the pressure, yet him lion hold ground. Lion hold ground, though the alpha look bright. No exchange tomorrow for relief from one hard night. Let agreement on both sides whenever terms come round. If
silence on the chair. Book a smaller studio with musicians who play fair. Drummer take a little, bassman take a share. Engineer receiving payment and the ownership stay clear. 500 copies press from money friends combined. Market style and dances help the record travel fine. No giant signboard needed for the message move around. People carry music when it rises from honest ground. Ownership is not vanity, and fairness is not pride. Artistic independence keep the message living wide. A reasonable partnership can help both sides progress, but business turn to bondage when one vice control the rest. Months later, another offer reach the studio door. Shorter term and fair division written at the core. No demand to change the message, no control beyond the deal. Every master clearly listed, every payment open and real. This time Lion sign it, after council read it through. Proving independence never mean all business is untrue. Firmness bring negotiation until level common ground. The contract learn respect because the lion hold ground. Oh, lion hold ground till the terms become sound. No surrender of the message for a check pay down. Fair work, fair work, fair ownership. Let respect travel around. When the pressure tests your purpose, lion hold ground. Tape stop turning, but the sun move on. Paper deal fairly, and the message stays strong.
Dry leaf cross the pathway, spring barely make a sound. Cloud gather beyond the ridge, but who prepared the ground? Of sunlight bleach the hillside pale. River break to puddles where the current used to sail. Goat search under stone wall for a little strip of shade. School children share one bucket through the heat of every day. Village tank fall lower till the bottom start to show. Farmer watch young pumpkin lose the strength it need to grow. Every evening I search where the dark cloud shoots around, waiting for a sign that rolling thunder might resound. Thunder answer, hear the dry hill sing. First drop fall and wake up everything. But we now waste the blessing when the water touch ground. Roots must hold the rain when the thunder answer sound. Years of cutting charcoal leave the upper slope exposed. Fire clear the bushes where the deep root forest grow. First a shower carry precious topsoil to the sea.
Nothing hold the moisture where the seed I used to be. Nobody blame a stranger, I pretend them hands were clean. Every household benefit from what the cutting mean. Drought become a teacher with a lesson sharp and plain. And naked he'll surrender every gift it get from rain. Thunder answer, but the people answer too. Planting back the hillside where the living cover grew. Cloud may bring the water, human care must keep it round. Roots receive the blessing when the thunder answer sound. Young ones carry seedlings from the nursery below. Breadfruit seed, a bamboo planted row by row. Farmers dig the contour where the rushing water turn. Families stop the hillside fire and find new fuel to burn. Stone trench guide the runoff toward a covered storage drum. Every roof in gutter before the rainy season come. Work continue daily without certainty of cloud. Preparation become player spoken, practical and loud. Prayer without labor,
Leave the catchment bare.
labor without humility.
Forget to send the air.
Do the work within your power.
Then receive what heaven brings.
Human hands prepare the vessel.
Jah provide the living spring.
Yeah. No, 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 no. Late one evening, cool breeze climbed the mountain track.
Lightning draw a silver branch across the heavens black.
First drops mark the dust and a steady shower spread.
Cutters feed the storage while the trenches slow its tread.
Young trees bend but hold firm underneath the welcome stray.
Rivers start reconnecting as the earth receive the rain.
Nobody wasting water or forget the season dry.
Thunder bring an answer.
But responsibility reply. Thunder answer, rolling over every eye. Rain restore the color through the long and thirsty night. Now the people got the blessing flowing underneath the ground. Living roots, soul water when the thunder answer sound.